Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, tap on Biometrics and Security, click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. When you're done, read the disclaimer, click Continue and answer the question, do you wear glasses? In my case, no, so I have to click on it and tap Continue. Now tap Done, and when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!